Hello everyone. To install fonts in Windows 10, first we need to download the fonts. Here in this tutorial, I will use Google Fonts to download the fonts. Open your browser, search for fonts.google.com. Open the link. Now choose a font of your choice. I am choosing Open Sans Condensed. Download family. Now unzip the downloaded folder, zip file, extract. Now search for font settings in the search bar. Now drag the style you want to install in this box like I'm showing. Now the font is downloaded and installed in your device. That's how you install fonts in Windows 10. You can also use dafont.com. Here are also some pretty good choices. Thanks for watching.